Don't throw away those onion skins. After watching this video, you will never want to throw them away again. If today is your first time on this channel, you're welcome. I want to use this moment to also thank my holdies for your support. Today I will share with you how I've been using onion skin at home. Reducing waste is great, but reusing them is even better. It saves money and protects our environment. Many common household items can be given a new life or second chance with a little creativity. Onions are key ingredients in our daily cooking because of their nutritious and pleasant aroma they give to our food. Meanwhile, the onion skins are always thrown away. I believe after watching this video, we'll start keeping onion skin for a better use. Have you ever had sore throat pain? Sore throat usually occur due to infections or environmental factors. It makes your throat feel dry, itchy and irritated, but there is a quick fix for it. All you have to do is to boil some onion skin in water for some minutes and let it cool. Then strain the mixture and gargle with the liquid or drink it. Onion skin contains nutrients that help sore throat, cough, cold and also boost immune system. Onions peel have properties that can help induce sleep. They contain antioxidants and compounds that promote relaxation and reduce stress, making it easier to fall asleep. Using onion peel tea before bedtime can be a natural way to improve quality sleep. To prepare onion peel tea, pour some boiling water over some onion skin and let it sit for 15 minutes. Then sip the tea before going to bed. It will calm your nerves and help you to sleep faster. Onion is packed with sulfur, which is good for hair treatment. It makes dull hair shiny. It increases the volume of the hair and even helps it grow faster. To make onion hair toner, you fill a small pot with water and boil the onion peels in it. When the water changes color, turn off the fire and allow it to cool before pouring it into a spray bottle. Use the liquid to spray over your entire scalp and massage a little to get the blood flowing. Onion peel can be used as dye for fabric. It can be used as a natural dye for fabrics, wool, etc., providing a range of colors. The dyeing process is eco-friendly and produces rich, long-lasting colors. This method is alternative to chemical dyes, utilizing waste material effectively. Onion skin fertilizer for farmers. It gives a healthy dose of potassium for your garden, which it has in abundance. A potassium-rich fertilizer will keep your plants healthy, resistant to disease and growing beautifully. To prepare it, you take a bowl of onion peels and soak in a liter of water for 24 hours. Then take the liquid and store in a bucket. You can use the liquid onion skin fertilizer to spray on your plant 3 to 4 times a month and you will see the magic. Onion skin help to reduce cramps. Onion has anti-inflammatory properties that help relieve cramps. Boil the skin in some water for 20 minutes and drink it like tea before bed. Please wash the onion skin before boiling it. Onion skin for cough and cold. You can cut an onion in half and put a spoonful of brown sugar on it. Let it sit overnight. Then collect the syrup and drink. It's much cheaper than cough syrup and is natural. Do you have any other unexpected uses for onion skin? Share them in the comments below. If you thought this video offered some useful information, slam that like button and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more video from this channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Next time you cook, please save those onion skins. Explore their benefits. Let's reduce waste and make most of this kitchen easy. Thanks for watching.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run.